Hello, public speakers. Instructions for week 5. 3 learning objectives. 1, identify barriers to effective listening. Why is effective listening so challenging? Number 2, recognize how to become a more effective and critical listener. How do we do better? And then thirdly, explore ethical responsibilities as a listener. So to support these learning objectives, once again in content, you will scroll down to week 5, which will populate your checklist. Here is what I need from you this week. Please read chapter 4, Becoming a Better Listener. Reminder, if you go into content and scroll all the way down to resources, there are chapter talks recorded. Look for the corresponding chapter talk. That is a 15-minute recording covering the key learning objectives. Okay, so read chapter 4, watch the chapter talk. Here is how you will be assessed this week. This week's form is a video post where you will respond to 2 questions in video form. Reminder, your replies to classmates do not need to be in video form. The responses can be in written form. There is a quiz corresponding with the text reading, as well as a better listening activity. My recommendation is to print off the attachment within the link. It will look like this. You will observe a speaker. This could be a teacher, a coach, a pastor, an employer, and you will answer the following questions looking at appreciative, empathic, comprehensive, and constructive listening. And then you will just simply attach that, back into the, if I can find our spot here, back into the Dropbox. Okay, so these 3 things are what I need from you. Please be sure and read chapter 4 as well as watch the chapter talk. Have a wonderful week.